Alright, so here's an FE example problem for CE 300, and here's the question. A contractor wants to buy a piece of equipment to use over a 4-month period, then sell it. The equipment costs $5,000 and can generate $1,000 a month. At the end of the period, it takes an extra month for the contractor to find a buyer, and it is sold for $2,000. Using 2% as the discount rate, how much money will be made or lost? Alright, so that's a lot of information to get down, so we could write it all in a cash flow diagram to get a good look at it. So first you have the initial payment of $5,000, and then you have the 4 returns of $1,000 each, and then lastly, when he sells it, he'll get back $3,000. So here's month 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that again is at the discount rate of 2%. So instead of using the normal present value equation, since there's 4 constant recurring payments, we could use the second, a little more complex present value equation, but it will take into account all 4 of those into one. So here's the equation right here. And in this equation, A is going to be the recurring payment. N is the number of periods. And then I is the discount rate. Alright, so plugging in your actual values, I'm going to plug in 1 for 1,000 just to make it a little simpler. Plus 0.02 to the 4th power because it's over 4 months. 0.02, 1 plus 0.02, 4th again. Plug it into your calculator and you'll get a value of 3.80773, which in money terms is $3,807.73. So that's for these 4 right here. You still need to deal with the $3,000 that he gets back when he sells it. That one you could just go to the basic present value equation, which is going to be present value is equal to F times 1 over 1 plus I to the n power. Again, n is the number of periods and I is the discount rate. So you can plug in a 3 for simplicity. And since it's on the 5th month, it's to the 5th power. Plug this into your calculator, get a value of 2.71719, which again in money terms is $2,717.19. In order to get the actual present value, you have to add these two together. So you get your present value of all this being $6,524.92. And then to get the net present value, what you have to do is subtract your initial startup costs from the present value you have at the end to get to your final answer, which is going to be a gain of $1,524.92.